Dear students, welcome you all to this engineering graphics video lecture series. Now we are going to discuss about continuation of problems in projections of solids. A pentagonal prism of base side 40 mm and axis length 100 mm is resting on one of its rectangular faces with its axis inclined 35 degree to VP. Draw its projections. Pentagonal prism having 5 rectangular faces, 5 long edges, 2 bases. Okay. One of the rectangular face resting on HP. Consider this is your first quadrant. You are the observer. First quadrant. One of the rectangular face resting on HP. At the time, the axis inclined 35 degree to VP. So directly draw the front and top view, not possible. Initially you got to assume the rectangular surface resting on HP and axis perpendicular to VP. Draw the front view and top view. Front view on XY axis as a pentagonal shape, and top view leave some distance, draw the top view. After second step, tilt the top view inclined 35 degree to VP and then project the final front view. So initially you got to assume rectangular face resting on HP, axis perpendicular to VP, draw the front view and then project the top view from the front view. First draw the XY axis line using 2H pencil and then draw the front view whilst rectangular face resting on HP. So draw a horizontal line, the length equal to 40 mm and fix the protractor here. Take 108 degree. Take 108 degree. Fix the protractor here, take 108 degree. 108 degree. Draw a line. And similarly next side, take 108 degree. Draw a line. And 40 mm as radius, draw the arc. Similarly the right side, 40 mm as radius, draw the arc. Using compass, draw the arc. And then once again 40 mm as radius by using compass. Once again 40 mm as radius, draw the arc. 40 mm radius, draw the arc. And join the line. Okay, complete the pentagon, front view, pentagonal prism front view. Pentagonal prism having 2 bases, so you have to give 2 names: A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash. Inside the bracket, the next base P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash, P dash. Okay. Now project the top view from the front view. Project the top view. From the front view, project the top view. Leave some distance. After that, 30 to 40 mm, leave some distance. After that, project the draw the top. Our axis height equal to 70 mm. So 70 mm distance from the axis point. How to mark the axis point? Mark the midpoint of the base and then draw the line from opposite corner. Similarly, another one side midpoint join with opposite corner. The intersecting point as axis line is our axis line. So draw the axis line. In this case, the axis line coincides with the long range D of S. So draw a straight line. Draw a straight. The line equal to 70 mm. 70 mm. So complete the top view. In this case, the A of B and B of Q invisible along edges. See the view. One of the rectangular face resting on HP. So the bottom long edges, two long edges invisible in the top view. Invisible in the top view. So the A of B and B of Q invisible longer edges. Invisible longer edges. Remaining all the edges visible. Remaining all the edges visible. Okay. Remaining all the edges visible. How to draw invisible edges? 2 to 3 mm line, 1 mm gap, 2 to 3 mm line. Okay, long edges, invisible edges, 2 invisible edges. Okay, 2 invisible edges. Complete the top. Okay, complete the top. Now give the naming use to the top view also. A of P, so P in this side. A. E of T, T. E. D of S, D, S. C of R, C, R. B of Q, B. Now the naming you completed in top view. Now the initial position completed. Rectangular face resting on HP, axis perpendicular to VP. Now tilt the top view. Inclined at 35 degree to VP. Leave some distance, mark a point, fix the protractor here. Take 35 degree inclination. Take 35 degree inclination. Draw the inclined line. Draw the 35 degree inclined line. After that, leave some distance, draw the base, this base. The base always perpendicular to the axis line. So draw a perpendicular line. Draw a perpendicular line. The first point, S1. The first point, S1. Okay, this line perpendicular to the inclined line. Perpendicular to the inclined line. So this line perpendicular to the inclined line. 35 degree inclined line. Perpendicular to the 35 degree inclined line. Okay. Perpendicular to the 35 degree inclined. Now, second point, from the S center, Q as radius, draw the arc. S center, Q radius, draw the arc. Mark the point Q1. And S center, R radius, draw the arc, mark the point R1. Similarly, bottom, S center, P radius, draw the arc, mark the point P. And S center, T radius, draw the arc, mark the point T. T1. So give the naming U. R1, Q1, P1, T1. Similarly, draw the bottom base. So 70 mm distance. Mark the bottom base. 70 mm distance. Perpendicular. perpendicular to the 35-degree inclined line. Similarly, the first point D1, the intersecting point as D1. Next, second, D center, C radius. Draw the arc mark the point C1. Mark the point C1. And then D center, B radius, D of B radius. Draw the arc mark the point B1. So C1, B1. And the next, DA as radius. DA, from D to A as radius, draw the arc mark the point A1. And then E as radius, draw the arc mark the point E1. Now join all the points to get the required final top view. A1, E1. Join all the points. The bottom two, QB and PA. B of Q and A of P as invisible edges. So dotted line. Dotted line. Okay. Now the top view completed. Final top view completed. Now project the front view from the tilted top view. Project the front view from the tilted top. 35-degree incline to mark the edge. Now draw the perpendicular line from all the points in the top view. Now draw the perpendicular line from all the points in the top view. Using 2H pencil, draw a perpendicular line. Draw a perpendicular line using 2H pencil. And horizontal line from the front view. Horizontal line from the front view. Using 2H pencil, draw horizontal line from the front. Now mark all intersecting points. T1 and T dash intersecting point as T1 dash. P1 and P dash intersecting point as P1 dash. S1 and S dash intersecting point as S1 dash. B and B1 dash, Q1 and Q dash intersecting point as Q1 dash. R and R1 dash R dash intersecting point as R1 and R dash intersecting point as R1 dash. So the left hand base for the right hand base. E1 and E dash intersecting point as E1 dash. A1 and A dash intersecting point as A1 dash. D1 and D dash intersecting point as D1 dash. B1 and B dash intersecting point as B1 dash. C1 and C dash intersecting point as C1 dash. Now the base is over. Two bases over. Now join all the base, all the lines. The right side end A, B, C, D, E, bottom base fully visible in the front view. So draw that by using straight line, fully visible. fully visible. But in the bottom base, left hand bottom base, S, R and Q are invisible. S, R and Q are invisible. Q are invisible. Remaining edges visible. Long range, long range. In RC long range, the off portion invisible is off portion invisible. Got it. Now the front view also completed. Front view also completed. Now mark all the dimensions. All the dimensions. (70 mm) height. 70 mm height. And base 40 mm. Base side 40 mm. Axis incline 35 degree to E. Okay. Problem over. Dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous lecture series in mechanical engineering. Thank you. Thank you very much.